I can confidently tell you that you are not lazy. You are not broken. You have just been following the wrong rules for a body that has changed. Let's be real, brother. Most of the nutrition advice out there was written for 25-year-olds who live in the gym and don't even have real life responsibilities. But look at you. You're built different. You've got a family, you've got a job. There is stress all over the place. Maybe you have a couple of injuries and a metabolism that doesn't play nice anymore. But here's the truth no one tells men over 40. You don't need to eat like a rabbit or starve yourself to drop belly fat and feel strong again. You just need to understand a few cheat codes, things that work with your body now, not against it. And that's what I'm going to break down for you today. So if you've been eating clean, counting calories, or doing what influencers say, but your belly still hangs over your belt, stay with me. You are about to see exactly where you've been misled and what actually works for men your age. And make sure you stay on to cheat code number 5. It's the one that made the biggest difference in my own clients, and most guys don't even know it exists. But before we dive into these cheat codes, let's be honest about what's really going on. Most men over 40 are trying to follow the same diet advice they did in their 20s: low fat, low carb, no beer, eat chicken and broccoli 6 times a week. That might have worked back then, but your hormones, your muscle mass, and recovery are not the same now. Here's the thing: your body after 40 is a different machinery. The engine is still powerful, but it's not meant to run on cheap fuel anymore. You don't need another fed diet. You need a system that respects your testosterone, your metabolism, and your lifestyle. So here's where it starts actually going wrong. And I'll show you exactly how to fix that in cheat code number 1. The first cheat code is to eat protein like a 40-year-old, not a 20-year-old. You've heard this before. Eat your protein. But here's what no one tells you after 40. Your body stops absorbing protein as efficiently as it used to. That means the same chicken breast that worked for you at 25 won't do the same now. You need more protein per meal, not just per day. I tell my clients to aim for 30 to 40 grams every time they eat. That's enough to trigger muscle repair and support your testosterone. So now, why does this matter? Because muscle is your metabolism. The more you lose it, the slower you burn fat. And if you're skipping protein or eating too little, you're basically telling your body to store fat instead of burning it. So the first thing to do is to stop snacking like a teenager and start fueling like a man who wants to age strong. One of my clients, Mark, 48, busy dad, never had time for breakfast. We fixed that with a protein-rich morning shake, and within 3 weeks, his energy doubled and his cravings disappeared. There was no calorie counting, just better protein timing. Listen, if you're a man over 40 and you want to fully drop the belly fat, get your strength back, and feel like yourself again without the body pain, without the joint pain, that's exactly why I built my Strong After 40 method. If you want me to help you to put this into your own lifestyle, I'll drop a link below. Book a coaching call with me. Let's just talk about how to get you where you want to be. Or comment fit in the comment section and I'll get in touch with you. Cheat code number 2. Stop dieting and start cycling your calories. Here's a truth bomb. You don't need to be in a calorie deficit every single day to lose fat. In fact, you've been dieting too long. Your metabolism's probably slowed down. The trick is calorie cycling. I teach my men to have low days when they rest and refeed days when they train hard. It keeps your metabolism firing, it supports your testosterone, and it makes the plan sustainable. Because let's be real, you're not going to give up on steak forever. You just need structure, not restriction. Listen, you don't need to live like a monk. You just need to know when to pull back and when to fuel up. That's how men stay strong for decades. Cheat code number 3. Fix the hormone crash. Let's talk testosterone, the king of hormones. When your T drops, everything gets harder. Your fat loss, your motivation, your recovery, even your drive in the gym and in the bedroom gets shattered. But here's the thing. Most guys try to fix it with supplements instead of fixing their habits. Processed carbs, Alcohol, poor sleep, and low protein kills your T levels faster than anything. Here's the nutrition cheat. Eat foods that signal your body to produce more testosterone. Red meat, eggs, avocados, olive oil, and plenty of zinc and magnesium from whole foods. When I got serious about this myself, I'm in my late 30s. My energy has come back like someone flipped the switch. Not because of magic powder, but because I started eating like a man again, not a stressed out teenager. Listen, bro, if this is clicking with you, smash the subscribe button. I share this kind of straight talk every day. No fluff, no fat. Just practical steps for men who want to get their age back after 40. Now, cheat code number 4. Hydrate with intention. You've heard people shouting at you, drink more water, right? But here's the catch. Most men are chronically dehydrated, not because they don't drink water, but because they lose more minerals through sweat, coffee, and stress. You need electrolytes, sodium, magnesium, potassium to actually hold that water inside the cells. So if you are drinking a gallon a day and still feeling tired and bloated, it's not water you're missing, it's minerals. Add a pinch of sea salt in your water in the morning and see the difference. It's something very practical that works all the time. And when you combine this with cheat code number 5, it's like flipping the switch on your metabolism again. Now, cheat code number 5. Eat more, earlier. I know this one shocks most men. You've been told to skip breakfast, to fast till noon, to eat late at night after work. But here's the deal. Your body burns more calories and handles food better earlier in the day. That means if you eat most of your calories before 3 p.m., you have better energy, digestion, and fat loss because insulin sensitivity is higher in the morning. Listen, you don't need to starve yourself. You need to time your fuel when your body is primed for it. And that's exactly how my clients burn fat without giving up on their sanity. Listen, bro, if you're serious about feeling strong again, start by getting your testosterone score checked. I always tell men, don't guess, test. You can't fix what you don't measure. Get your testosterone levels tested and come back and watch my video on how to naturally raise your testosterone after 40. Listen, there is a link on the description of this video. It will take you less than a minute to do a test and get your results. And no matter what results you get, I'll give you a game plan. That test is free. The link is on the description below. Do that and see what happens next. Now listen, bro. These 5 cheat codes aren't theory. They are how real men in their 40s, in their 50s, and in their 60s drop the gut, rebuild the muscle, and feel like themselves again. You don't need perfection. You just need consistency. A plan that fits your life and the right guidance. And if you are ready to take that next step, don't wait. Book that quick call using the link below and let's map out your strong after 40 game plan because you are not past your prime. You are just one right strategy away from getting it back. And remember when I started this video, I said your body after 40 isn't broken. It just needs the right instructions. Follow these 5 cheat codes and you'll prove that the best years of your body aren't behind you. They are still ahead of you. Share with a brother who needs to watch this. Tell me where you're watching from and which cheat code you are going to try first in the comment section. See you in the next one. Subscribe. Let's go.